Hello everyone. Today, let's explore some of the rare and remarkable rainforest.
Join us as we uncover the hidden lives of these extraordinary animals.
Orho. The pangolin is a shy and solitary creature that spends most of its life hidden within humid tropical forests.
Pangolins rely on their tough, overlapping scales for protection. They move slowly and quietly, following scent trails along the forest floor.
Despite their secretive nature, pangolins play an important role in balancing insect populations. The pangolin, a solitary creature of the night, uses its keen sense of smell to navigate the misty forest.
In the humid tropical forest, the shy and solitary tree pangolin begins its nightly search for insects, its scales glistening in the moonlight.
With eyes optimized for low light, the barn owl remains a vigilant predator even when the sun pierces the canopy.
The palm civet is a highly adaptable and mostly nocturnal mammal that thrives in the dense, humid layers of the tropical rainforest.
As an omnivore, the civet's diet includes ripe fruits, insects, small animals, and even nectar.
Shy and solitary by nature, the civet plays an important role in seed dispersal, helping maintain the rainforest biodiversity. The Malayan palm civet, a creature on the edge of smite.
The cobra strikes, but the agile civet dodges the venomous attack. In a swift movement, the civet counterattacks, pinning
The flying squirrel is a nocturnal glider that lives high in the canopy of tropical and temperate forests. High in the canopy, illuminated by the dramatic light of the full moon, the northern flying squirrel enjoys a midnight feast of ripe figs.
With a leap of faith, the nocturnal glider takes to the air, its bushy tail acting as a rudder in the darkness.
The flying squirrel uses the cover of darkness and the light of the moon to navigate the vast canopy.
Deep within the sunlit canopy, the flying squirrel finds a vital source of energy in the glistening amber sap.
The palm civet lunges, hoping to steal the prized purple fruit. But the flying squirrel... A moment of peace for the flying squirrel is shattered as the emerald predator prepares to strike.
Very. The flying squirrel feeds unaware as the emerald hunter prepares to strike. In a sudden burst of speed, the snake...
A desperate struggle for survival. The green snake tightens its grip, and the squirrel's movements begin to slow.
Deep in the rainforest canopy, the nocturnal flying squirrel emerges. Guided by the moon,
With large, expressive eyes, adapted for the dark, the northern flying squirrel finds ripe fruit.
high in the nocturnal canopy, the red and white giant flying squirrel utilizes the full moon's glow to locate the ripest purple fruits. With large, expressive eyes, the southern flying squirrel glides
Perched high in the canopy, the red and white giant flying squirrel feasts on a prized purple fruit under the glow of the full moon.